Rudiments of Guitar by Kapil Srivastava. India's highest-selling guitar book. A treasure for student and teacher. A guitar encyclopedia guiding where to go. How to go on guitar. Binding guitar curriculum simple, short and sweet, covering 360-degree guitar concepts as basics, fundamentals of music, exercises, octaves, scales, scales construction, chords, chord construction, application of chords on songs, chord diagrams, reading notations on charts, repertoire and much more. 200 plus graphic illustrations. Yours a lifetime asset. Rudiments of Guitar by Kapil Srivastava. Available at www.abismbooks.com.